Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I am here with a Echo Park mystery box. So I got an email last week that they were having their mystery box, which they do occasionally. I think it's $50 plus free shipping if I'm not mistaken. And I usually always miss out on it, but I was able to get in on this one. If they still have them available, I'll link it below so that you can go and check it out for yourself. So it's usually like $100 and something, like 180 or 75, or if I'm exaggerating, I'll put the real number in the description. But it's usually like a lot of things for only $50. So, okay, let's get started. So the first thing I got was these really cute papers. I got 2 of them. And this is from Splendid Sunshine collection. They're double-sided. Look at those cute little baby chicks and the butterflies. And then on the back it has the stripes. So there's that one. And I got these, what are they called when they're already like cut out? Like you literally just have to pop them out. And this is Little Dreamer boy frames and tags. So I'm probably going to give this to a friend that has a boy. And then there's also this one. This also has the ones that pop out. You can see like this is already coming out. Probably going to just take all these out and put them in a baggie or something. This is from Our Travel Adventure. So if that's a collection. Then they also sent some excuse me, looks like they sent, I think these are these are collection kits. So they sent the Getaway collection kit. And what does it come with? So it looks like it comes with a sheet of stickers and then the papers and then some cut aparts. That's a cute one. You can use that for like scrapbooking. And then Back to School, which I'll probably give to a friend that has school-age kids, but that's super cute. And you can see down at the bottom all the goodies that it comes with. Oh, it says contains 12 by 12 double-sided papers, 12 by 12 element stickers. And the same thing with the other one. Let me move this over just a little bit. And then I also got this one, I Love Summer, which is super cute. And excuse me, this is one of my favorite ones, a little lumberjack. I do have like, I think 1 or 2 of the small paper pads of this. So super cute. Then I got Fall Break. So that's what it looks like. And then En Vogue. I watched Vagabond Crafter and Craft Purge. Watched Craft Purge this morning, and I think Vagabond Crafter had shown hers over the weekend, maybe yesterday. And I feel like I've gotten similar things to them. This one's Homemade with Love. This one's so cute. I feel like I've used this before. I could be mistaken. I love the pie paper. So cute. And the little recipe cards. And I'm so excited that I got this paper pad, you guys. So I got the 12 by 12 Magical Birthday paper pad. So exciting. It's so cute. I love how it has all the castles. Let me see if I can flip through this for a second. Oh gosh, they've got it really tight. Let's see if we can go through the side. We can get a little sneak peek. So it looks like they're single-sided. Just a cute collection. And I got the Pool Party 6x6, which I think I have this. I used to belong to their like monthly club, and I just didn't get the subscription anymore. No, for no reason. I still like Echo Park. It's just, I don't know. I wanted to buy other stuff, and I think I got that in one of the monthly subscription thingamajiggies. And then I was so excited to get this cute little Easter chipboard accents. I just love that bunny driving the carrot car. And then this is from the Welcome Easter collection, it looks like. I love the banner at the top. Super cute. Little baby chick. I got 2 different washi tapes. One's from the Pool Party collection. The other one is from something summer. It's kind of like hard to read, but that's what those look like. And then I also got some chipboard frames from the A Magical Place collection. So those are super cute and fun. I love the castle. And I got, excuse me, looks like they're just saying, here's some new collections coming. Something fall and welcome fall. And then I have some more stuff, but I'm just showing like these little collections that are coming in case you're interested. It looks like this one's on the top is called Home for Christmas, and then the bottom one is called Christmas Magic. I also got this cute little art print. So that's fun. Looks like you just put it in a frame. Then I got these stickers, which I absolutely love. That little swimming pool and the bathing suit. Super cute. Then I got an embossing folder from Cartabella and its little anchors. I think I saw Craft Perch get this morning when I was watching her video. And I got this. I've used this paper pad. I've bought 2 of them, and I've bought the big collection before. I've used this a couple of times. I don't know what it is, but I just love this paper pad. It's just so pretty. I made some really pretty flowers with it, and I did like a tea party theme. I had sent a gift out. You know what? I'll put the video below so you could see what I did with it. I'm pretty sure I shared it. But I don't know why. I like this paper pad. But that's what it looks like. And this is Cartabella Botanical Garden. So that's what I got in the Echo Park surprise box, mystery box. Like I said, I'll link it below. I'll link the video below so you can see what I did with that. If I filmed it, I'm pretty sure I filmed it. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. If you also got one of these boxes, let me know. Let me know what you thought of it. And if you made a video about it and I haven't seen it yet, which I would have commented, let me know so I can come and see what you got if you got different things than I did. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.